Hello, this is Daryl, Passing Lane Motors, and today I wanted to show you our 1971 SS Chevelle that we have in. It's a 454 car, working cowl induction hood, has the right wheels on it, bench seat 4-speed. Let me take you around and show you how nice this car is. Super nice, straight 1971 Chevelle. It's a marina blue, a little bit darker maybe. Real nice panels. The trunk panel in it, the trunk pan is brand new, looks great. Here is the engine compartment. It's a 454 cowl induction hood, working cowl hood I might add too. All the wiring is really nice. There's the vent on the inside, does have the proper hood insulation in it. It is a power disc brake car, 4-speed for all of you hot rod nuts. Super clean and detailed out engine compartment. Take you and show you around to the back side of the car. It's done in a marina blue. Let me pop open this trunk here real quick. Show you the trunk. The trunk's got really nice pans in it. No rust in here at all. Really super nice trunk pan in here. Correct stickers. Let me close this up. We're going to go ahead and pull this car in. I'll take you for a little drive in it so you can hear how it runs. One more time in this engine. Isn't that engine gorgeous? Just absolutely stunningly beautiful engine compartment. It says my battery's about ready to die here. So, close the hood. I won't take the time to put the pins in the hood here. I really need to, so that they don't flap around when we drive it. Hopefully our battery doesn't die before I get you in here and get you started up. Show you the interior. Super nice interior, correct gauges. Beautiful headliner. Heat works in here. All the gauges work. You've seen the cowl hood, it shut up. It is a 4-speed car. And it's a 4-speed. It runs great. There's the cowl hood. It's got new screens. All the components in the cowl hood are brand new. Car shifts great. Runs super strong, super strong. Flip you around here. Saying my battery's gonna die, so. We just hit 60 right there. Oh, here's our 64 Polara getting ready to put in. 1971 Chevelle. Get you out and let you hear how this car sounds on the outside. But that's not the car we're looking at. Now look at this interior. So one more time, this is Daryl, Passing Lane Motors, 636-600-1140, 1971 SS Chevelle, 454 4-speed. Thanks so much for looking and have a great day. Bye now.